Do you know what? It's getting distinctly chilly in the cupboard at the moment. Oh, shouldn't be. It's May. Hang on. Wrap ourselves up. There's no point in being uncomfortable in this kind of thing. And that's true of you when you're doing the exam. Always make sure you're comfortable. So question 32. What is the missing number? Where's the missing number? There it is. So I think we need to do ourselves some written workings. 88 to 99 is plus 11. 99 to 110 is plus 11. 99 to 110 is plus 11. To 121 is plus 11. 110 to 120 is plus 11. So it's going to be plus 11, which is, I think, 132. Let's just check. 121 plus 11. Yes, 132. Can I just point out, it's always bad teaching to show you what not to do, but sometimes this helps. Can you see it goes 99, 99, 110, 110, 110, 121, 121. So if any one of these is missing, you can sort of work out from the angle, and that works quite often in the non-verbal reasoning. But notice that 88 is not the same as 32. That's the sneaky thing, and they wanted to see whether you were going to put in 88, and that will be there as an answer. Well, it should be anyway.